Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account age, region, and a verified email or phone. Once done, open the app or console privacy settings and locate the Who Can Join control. Change it from restrictive options to Friends or Everyone, just to test whether the join block disappears. Make sure to note the original setting so you can restore it later. This initial change isolates whether privacy policies or linked account flags are causing the block. Next, inspect linked accounts and app permissions because many join errors stem from cross-account conflicts. You should disconnect and reconnect one integration at a time, Steam, PSN, Xbox, or Platform Friends, while testing joins after each change. Also audit app permissions for contacts and friend list access. If the app can't read friends, it may deny joins. Once you find the culprit integration, either reauthorize it properly or set its privacy option to allow party invites and crossplay to restore normal joining behavior. To finish, apply the correct privacy options, then restart the app and device and clear the cache so settings propagate. Once restarted, test joining with a trusted friend and confirm the invite flows. If the problem persists, reset the specific privacy flags or create a quick test account to reproduce the issue. This narrows whether the problem is account-specific. If nothing works, capture screenshots and any error codes before contacting support so you can.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.